Okay, and we're gonna start by slowly lowering ourselves to the floor. And if the floor is just not an option for you, this can be done right from your bed. So we're gonna roll down slowly, one vertebra at a time. Knees are bent, feet are flat on the floor. Lower back, shoulders, hips are all flush with the floor. We're gonna take a deep breath in and we're gonna bring our arms out to the side. We are going to slowly drop our knees to one side. And I'm gonna turn my head in the opposite direction. Now, my knees are hitting the floor on this side. You just want to have your knees going one way and your head's looking the opposite way. So if you're not able to get your knees all the way down to touch the floor on one side, that's fine. Go as far as you can. So if this is where you're feeling the stretch, stop here. Breathe slowly. Let yourself relax. And eventually over time, you may start to loosen up and your legs will drop a little farther. Just keep practicing. And then we're gonna breathe in. And we're gonna slowly bring those knees back to center. We're gonna inhale and drop our knees to the opposite side. As far as you can comfortably go, and we're turning our head in the opposite direction. It's gonna open up the body and stretch out the side from under the arms, along the rib cage, right down into the hips. And we're gonna hold for about 10 to 15 seconds. Focusing on your breathing, letting the body relax. And we're gonna slowly roll those legs to center. Bring the head back to the middle. Take a breath or two here. The center, feel your back just sinking into the floor underneath you, completely supported. We're gonna breathe in and exhale and drop our knees and head looks the opposite way. Holding here is wherever you're comfortable. So if you can get your knees to the floor, fine. And again, if you need to be up here, that's okay too. You want to do what's comfortable for your body. And slowly bring the knees back to center. Head comes back. We're gonna breathe in here. Exhale and drop the knees. Turn the head to the opposite side. And we're coming back to center. I'm just gonna change my position just to change up the view in case it's a little bit easier to see. So I'm gonna roll myself back down here. You can stay just where you are. This is just for the visual. My hands are out to the side. Breathing in. Exhale and dropping my knees to one side. And head looks in the opposite direction. And then we're slowly gonna bring the knees back up. Head looks towards the ceiling. We're gonna breathe in here. Exhale, drop the knees to the opposite side. And head looks in the opposite direction of the knees. Okay, bringing the knees back to center, head looking back to the ceiling. Just gonna take a few breaths here. Let our back relax and sink into the floor. Hands coming back down to your side. We're gonna drop the knees, rolling to the side and pushing back up. And we'll end here.